Hello there, you beautiful people, and welcome to the second project of the Python Bible course. In this project, we're going to be creating a computer program that will ask you a few questions about yourself and use the information that you provide it to write a sentence all about you. Pretty cool, right? We've got a lot to go through in this project, so in this lecture, I'm just going to give you an overview of all the cool stuff that's in store for you and let you know all the awesome things you're going to be able to do after we finish it. So here we go. First of all, you're going to learn how to get your computer programs to ask users questions and gather information from a user. Remember, your programs are all about helping a user to complete a certain task, and being able to tailor your programs to each individual user is a very useful skill indeed in today's world. This skill is useful for all sorts of things, from creating personalized emails to creating user accounts. After that, you'll build on your previous knowledge and learn how to combine together various different data types in order to make meaningful pieces of text by using skills such as string concatenation, data casting, and string formatting. One of Python's biggest strengths is how easy it makes it to combine and convert between various data types in order to make meaningful outputs. By learning this, you will have more flexibility in your programs, and more flexibility means more options, and more options means better programs. By the end of this project, we'll have a program that asks you some questions and learns about you. The program will then do some behind-the-scenes processing and in the blink of an eye, give back a meaningful sentence that says something about you. This is a really cool project that will be worth sharing with your friends, and I can't wait to get started. So let's jump into the next video, where we will start by teaching your computer to ask questions.